Hello friends, welcome to my another video. Today we are looking for 10 WordPress course for free in Udemy. So first course is get your WordPress website and hosting step in 60 minutes. This is the first free course. The course are 5,279 students are watching, and 32 minutes only demanding for this video duration. Then it's the course you will learn to install a responsive theme that look good on any browser, and understanding how to use plugin to expand functionality, and how to best configure WordPress for optimized CEO, and etc etc. Next we are going to how to get the course. Then I will show you how to get the course. First of all, please click the enroll now button, and next is start course. Then this is the course. These courses are available 6 lessons. Are available, and the next courses is the next course is learn how to create a WordPress theme using Pendraw. Okay, this is the course, and 27,757 students are watching this course, and 1 hour and 46 minutes demanding duration in this course. And you learn this course for create a fully functional WordPress theme. Okay, then now we are going to take the course, enroll now, and start the course. So this is the course. Only 4 lessons are available in this course. Okay, so we are going to next course. Next course is how to WordPress plugin outsourcing. These courses are learning what is your learn. In this course you will learn to turning ideas into WordPress plugins and hire WordPress programmer to produce great plugins. And 2,685 students are watching this course. Only 2 hours and 47 minutes duration in this course. So go to take the course, enroll now, and start the course. This is the course. These courses are only 2 lessons are available in this course. Okay, so next course is how to build a website for your crush from scratch for free. In this course you will learn to how to build a 6-page WordPress website for free, and how to add a blog page to your website, and how to add a content as from to your website, and how to add a live webcast page to your website, and how to add a broadcast page to your website, and how to create a modern and up-to-date website for free. The all contents are available in this video. Okay, then we are going to take the course and click the enroll now, start course. So this is the course. Only 4 lessons are available in this course. Okay, so next course is WordPress for beginner, learn how to create a blog. Okay, in this course you will learn to fundamental of domain names, web hosting and WordPress, and how to set up hosting, install WordPress, and active the SSL certificate, and etc. These all things are available in this video, and go to enroll now. So then start course. So this is the course. Only 5 lessons are available in this course. Okay, so next course is how to create a WordPress website using Eliminator. Okay, and this course are only 2 hours demanding duration on this video, and you will learn this course fundamental of domain names, hosting and WordPress, and how to set up your hosting, install WordPress and SSL certificate, and how to use Eliminator, and how to create beautiful looking page using Eliminator, etc. So all things are available in this video. And this 5078 students are watching this course. Okay, go to the course, and yeah, this is the course. On the 7 lessons are available in this course. Okay, sorry, this is the next course, how to create a WordPress blog for free. And this course you will learn how to create a WordPress blog for free, and fundamental of domain names, hosting and WordPress, and how to use WordPress, and how to choose premium theme and plugins, etc. And 6430 students are watching this course. Only 1.5 hours demanding for the video. Go to take the course, enroll now please, and start the course. This is the course, and 5 lessons are available in this course. Only 5 lessons are 5 lessons are available in this course. Go to the next course, is a fast packed WordPress website setup from start to finish. Okay, in this course you will learn to create a hosting account with a web hosting provider, and acquire a domain names, and install the free WordPress website platform, and create and manage page and blog post, and create a navigate menu, and install plugin for add functionality, and add customize it for free theme, etc. Okay, and this is the video created by Tony McKeecook, and the content, this course's content is introduction, summary of the course, and WordPress step and setup and installation, and content, and theming, and search engine optimization, and bonuses. This is the content of the course. So next, click the enroll now and start the course. So this is the course. Only 6 lessons are available in this course. Okay, so next course is how to make a money making website with WordPress 2020. This course are 2020 popular course. Only 4544 students are watching this course, and 1 hour and 48 minutes duration in this video. And in this course you will learn to create a full functioning WordPress website that is properly set up to drive website traffic, stimulate leads and customer, and ultimately generate cash flow, and etc. These all things are included in this video. Okay, so go to the enroll now, start the course. So this is the course. Only 5 lessons are available in this course. Okay, so next course is the last and final course. This video, custom WordPress blog theme using Eliminator with no coding. These courses are 3,993 course students are watching this course. Only 1 hours and only 2 hours demanding duration in this video. And in this course you will learn to how to start a blogging journey by creating custom WordPress theme for your blog, how to create WordPress blogging using Eliminator, Blogitum, theme builder, and etc. All things are available in this video. And get to enroll now. So start course. So this is the course. Only 4 lessons are available in this video. Okay, I will give you all the link in the description. Do check it out. So that's all for now. Hope you find this video is useful, guys. To get more update about free online courses and other awesome contents, Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.